Alright guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and create a shirt in Roblox, guys. So basically, I'm going to be helping you guys with shirt creation and basically telling you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and do this. So let's go ahead and get right into today's video. So basically, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is head over to roblox.com, guys, and you're basically going to want to be on the home screen here. Like as you can see right now, I'm currently on the home screen, so you're going to want to head over to the group. Now you are going to need a group for this, and then basically you're going to want to head over to the store option on your group. Now below the store option right here, you can see there's create or manage group items. You're just going to want to go ahead and just press that. So basically once you actually go ahead and press that, you guys can see right here that you can actually create a shirt. Now you can actually upload a file, but there's actually a template you will have to follow so your shirt doesn't actually come out deformed and stuff. So basically go ahead and follow the little template that Roblox actually does give you, and then once you're going to go ahead and actually upload it, and then once you go ahead and upload it, guys, you are going to need some Robux for this. So go ahead, you are going to have to upload it for 10 Robux, guys. So that's pretty much how you go ahead and create a shirt in Roblox, guys. And it's pretty straightforward and simple to actually go ahead and do. And pretty much that's been it for the video, guys. So hopefully you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you guys actually think of the video. I'd like to hear your guys' feedback. And other than that, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video.